Question 5. A rectangular farm, 210 metres by 120 metres, is drawn on a grid of 1 centimetre squares. The dotted part is flooded, and we want to estimate the area that is not flooded. Here is the flooded section, in blue. First, the scale. The length, 210 metres, is spread across 7 squares, so each square is 30 metres wide. The width, 120 metres across 4 squares, is also 30 metres. So every square represents 30 by 30, which is 900 square metres. The whole farm is 7 by 4, 28 squares, or simply 210 times 120, which is 25,200 square metres. Now we estimate the flooded part by counting the squares it covers, counting a square when it is at least half covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 squares are flooded. So the flooded area is about 11 times 900, which is 9,900 square metres. The area not flooded is the total minus the flooded. 25,200 minus 9,900, which is 15,300 square metres. Since we are estimating by counting squares, an answer close to this is accepted. Well done! That's question 5.